The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. On this Monday morning, it is the 28th day of August as we continue to monitor the horrific and unprecedented situation over in Texas, and specifically the Houston area, although many other areas of Texas are affected. Houston, the fourth largest city in America, is almost underwater, and although the heaviest rain bands have shifted out of the area during the night, that's good news. The bad news is the rivers are about to crest, so this is going to be a significant story for a long time. I mentioned the rain bands have shifted. Yeah, now towards the upper Texas coast and towards Louisiana, so other Gulf states are going to be in a problem situation because of Harvey. And some of you have wondered, will Harvey ever affect our weather? I think so. Now, I'm leaning towards the European solution, and I'll show you how Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday we could see some significant rainfall in our area as well. Plus, there's something new on the Atlantic side, a new tropical storm developing. It's already called, let's get into the details right now. Here we go.
So the latest track from the National Hurricane Center takes this thing offshore, takes Harvey offshore, and then swings it back towards the Beaumont area as we get towards Wednesday afternoon. So still a couple of more days before it gets into Louisiana and eventually into Arkansas and back towards the Memphis area. This is future radar over the next 18 hours, showing again some of the most intense rain bands in the upper Texas coast and now moving into Louisiana. So a little break in the intensity of the rain around Houston, but still the rivers are coming up. Here's 1 o'clock on this afternoon on the European. It takes the center offshore, and then eventually it moves off to the northeast. The other system we're going to have to watch on the Atlantic side is Irma. It will become Irma, and more on that in just a moment. Bear with me. For us today, we're in between, so we're kind of quiet and kind of comfortable here. Mostly cloudy with a high around 86. Nice little easterly breeze again, 6 to 12 miles per hour. Low temperature tonight, 70. Tomorrow, 1 o'clock. You can see on the European how the system is out over the Gulf, moving off to the northeast very slowly, and then at 7 a.m. Wednesday morning, some of that moisture starts getting pulled into Alabama as the center of the system is near Lake Charles, moving northward. So I think Wednesday night, we start to pick up some tropical rains from Harvey on the far eastern peripheral, maybe even a tornado threat, not out of the question. 7 a.m. on Thursday morning, the system is moving into southern Arkansas with rain and thunderstorms continuing through our area. I've got the rain chances up to about 60%. There it is, 7 p.m. on Thursday night, and take a look at this. On Friday, it's got the system not too far from Memphis. This is the Europeans' idea. Showers and thunderstorms continue over Alabama. This is Saturday morning. The storm is moving into western Kentucky, but still tropical pluvial moisture in through our area. I think Sunday the storms start to thin out across Alabama. This is, of course, Labor Day weekend now. And on Labor Day itself, you know, it looks like there's some other little tropical disturbance down there on the Gulf Coast. More on that in a moment. So I've got the rain chances at 20% Tuesday. Then I've jacked it up to 60% Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday with the tropical rains from Harvey. Temperatures still in the 80s. I've got a 50-50 chance of showers and thunderstorms in here on Saturday. Rainfall, well, we could still see some more prolific rains over the upper Texas coast and Louisiana with this system spreading eastward through Mississippi and eventually into western Alabama. I think some of our rainfall totals, it's hard to say. You know, it's early on. 1 to 2 inches, not out of the question. Maybe more. This will be refined as we go through time. The other one is potential tropical cyclone 10. As I make this, it could already be Irma when you're watching this, but it'll be moving up the east coast and threatening the Carolinas. There is a tropical storm watch in effect along the Carolina coast. That could become a tropical storm warning. And for us, the European, with the blue bars at the bottom showing the tropical rains coming in from Harvey Wednesday through Friday, more scattered showers and storms Saturday and Sunday, although maybe not as many. And then temperatures will continue in the 80s. So we're done with the 90s for a while. These are temperatures we can handle, and it's certainly been a lot more comfortable. Lows at night will be generally in around the 70-degree mark. Our weather app will keep you on top of all these weather changes. This is the week to get that on your phone with hourly forecast, 10-day forecast, radar, future radar, and push notifications for watches and warnings. Go to the App Store and search Rich Thomas Weather.
So the greater Houston area has had more than 30 inches of rain so far. The potential is maybe 18 to 24 more inches, bringing it over 50 inches, just unheard of. And again, the river situation will break all records as far as the cresting in that area. Some of you have asked, how can you help? Right now, don't send clothes, don't send food. Your money is needed. And you can do that by contacting the Red Cross at redcross.org or 1-800-RED Cross. They need your money. They need your help. We'll be talking about this live on the radio this morning from 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1. You can actually call us and we'll talk about this situation. And there'll be another video for you tomorrow morning at 4:45 a.m. as we continue to monitor Harvey's future effect on Alabama and the holiday weekend. Have a good day. I'll see you later, okay?
Rich Thomas weather.